Hola, buenas tardes.
Hola,
Say something, kuya.
hola, buenas tardes. Say something, ate.
Say in Tagalog, kuya. Kumusta kayo lahat?
Kumusta kayo lahat?
What else? Tagalog yun ah.
Pero, thank you po.
Nada mas?
Ah, ah,
Salamat.
salamat, Ramon.
OFW in Spanish. Today we are here now in the side of a park, which is at the center of the park. There is a fountain. Look at it. A huge fountain. And here we will try to do water photography. Yan. Sige. Kaya samahan nyo kami at gagawa tayo ng water photography, pampalipas oras. Kumbaga, tired reliever. Yan. Para hindi kailangan ng medicine. While doing a water photography, you can form images. For example, this you can form an images here.
Water. Water is a colorless, transparent, odorless liquid that forms the seas, lakes, rivers, and rain and is the basis of the fluid of living organisms. Water popularly represents life and can be associated with birth, fertility, and refreshment. In Christian context, water represents changes and passage of time. Water in zodiac sign for Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Water signs are very fluid and constantly wavering. In dreams, about waves or restless water means you are allowing your emotional side to take over your emotions in waking life. Walking through turbulent water in a dream indicates emotions are not being controlled. For pregnant women, water in dreams which you are swimming could means you're trying to connect with your baby who's bathed in water in your womb. And other more meaning of water in life. In order to take a good photography images, you need to play with the ISO or the ISO. And of course, with interest of doing it.